How's it going, everybody? Welcome to this unboxing of the LG V40 Thinq. This is the Verizon wireless version. The first thing that you see when you open the box is this cleaning cloth with the LG logo on it. And here's the phone. We got the blue version. There it is. I'm gonna put this here on the side and see what else is included in the box. And I believe here it's where the SIM card, instruction, warranty, and all of that is. And then we have the USB cord, Type-C, and the connector to charge the phone. That's it. No headphones or anything else in the box. Alright, let's go ahead and now remove the plastics. Wow, really nice looking phone. Very nice. Wow, super nice color. So 3 cameras on the back, flash, fingerprint scanner, V40 Thinq branding right there. Then on the bottom, LG. On this side right here, we see the power button, access to the SIM card and micro SD card. On the top of the phone, microphone and antennas. On this other side, volume and dedicated button for the Google Assistant. And then right here on the bottom we see the speaker grill, USB Type-C port, microphone, and 3.5mm audio jack. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the phone for the first time, and in the meantime let's go ahead and talk about some of the specs and also do some comparison. So right here I have the LG V40 in black color. So we can see right here the difference. The black, sometimes depending on the light, sometimes the black look kind of blue, but definitely this looks between a blue, sometimes maybe a purple, but definitely different than the black one. In my opinion, the blue one is a little more attractive, but definitely both looked really nice. So there's a black and there's a blue. Alright, also for comparison, I have right here the LG V30. There it is from last year. So as you can see, there's a difference in terms of the size or the height of the phone. Also on the rear, 2 cameras versus 3 cameras this year. The position of the flash, it's also different. And here's on the side, the V30 from last year, it's a little bit thinner. And here's a look at the bottom. This year they put the 3.5mm audio jack on the bottom of the V40, and on the V30 it's located on the top of the phone. As you can see, beautiful screen, looks absolutely beautiful, really nice resolution. So what are the specs on the phone? A 6.4-inch screen size, 2K display, aspect ratio of the screen is at 19 by 5 by 9 with 537 ppi or pixel density. Extremely bright, super bright display. Corning Gorilla Glass 5, Android 8.1, Qualcomm Snapdragon 845. This phone comes with 6 GB of RAM. Internal memory, it's 64 GB. There's a version of 128, but this is the 64 GB of internal storage with 6 GB of RAM. As far as the cameras, 12 megapixel rear camera with an f1.5 aperture. We also have a 12 megapixel, which is a telephoto with an optical zoom with an aperture of f2.4 And we also have a 16 megapixel wide angle camera with an aperture of f1.9. The phone can also record video in up to 4K at 60 frames per second. And we have a front facing camera, two of them. One is a 8 megapixel with an f1.9, and the wide angle it's a 5 megapixel with an f2.2. The front facing camera can do video in 1080p at 30 frames per second. The phone supports a Bluetooth 5.0, and as far as the battery, 3300 milliamp battery, and the phone is IP68 rated at 1.5 meter and 30 minutes under water. And here's the display, so you guys can see the difference from last year next to the LG V40, which is 6 inches. So as you can see, definitely a huge increase in terms of the screen size. As far as the price of this phone retails for about $980, and this is the Verizon wireless version, like I said. So quick look here at the interface. On the side right here we have the app Flash, which is kind of like a version of the Google Feed. Goes with the phone, installed with the phone. Right here we get the notifications, access to the quick settings or the main settings of the phone. So I'll show you guys quick here the interface of the camera, which is kind of like the main attraction of this phone. We have, like I said, 3 cameras on the back. There it is, the 3 symbols, so you can switch between a telephoto, regular camera, and wide angle camera. Very nice. We also have right here all the different modes, including the super professional manual mode with a lot of different options, almost like a DSLR camera. You can also switch between the regular angle or the wide angle using the manual mode. So there you have it, guys. That was my unboxing here. A quick look at the LG V40 in the blue color. Thanks for watching, and I will see you later.